Oh, oh, oh. They ain't even got the shade on here. It's so cheap. You said look way up. Okay, to the left, to the right. Like what the, bro? Focus. Look what? Look there. Look over there. Look over there. You said look down. This thing sends me up a ladder, I gotta tell you. Lashes done. All right. It's really, you know. You okay?
I'm gonna test this out. Keep in mind that I'm an artist. I'm sensitive about my shit.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It is Chariti Sinae and I am back with another video. And in today's video, honey, girl, I'm just talking, okay? I'm just talking, I'm reflecting on this last year, okay? I'm reflecting on this, you know, just 2023 in general, just all in one. So yeah, I'm just talking to y'all. This is like a girls chat or just the everyone's chat. It's not even just a girls chat. This is just a person to person chat, okay? And we can leave it there. And so yeah, we just talking. We're not gonna be able to do much talking if you don't focus. If you just want to hear me chat, and I know a lot of y'all gonna be able to relate to what I'm talking about, so just keep on watching, okay? And with that being said, let's get into the video. Okay, so I did fill in my brows already. So I be using this e.l.f. instant brow lift. It's real cheap. It's like $3, I think. But what shade is it? It's a blonde shade. They ain't even got the shade on here. It's so cheap. I just got that because I be needing something quick, like when my eyebrows start like growing in, you know, whenever I lighten them. And I don't like that, like seeing the little black little root tip. What, root tip didn't make sense, but yeah. And then that blonde to me is just tacky. Okay, look, get into it. Get into it, okay? Get into it. Stop playing with me, okay? Shout out to the last tag. I did my skin prep already, y'all. I did that video for TikTok. I was like, you know what? I gotta show TikTok a little bit of love. It's been a minute, you know, since your girl been giving my TikTok time and attention, okay? Really, and I know y'all thinking, y'all, what about YouTube? Yeah, because I've been MIA, obviously. This is not even stuff. We're gonna have to focus and stay in focus. If I'm dead in the center, what else do you have to focus on? That's what be confusing me. Y'all, I'm just trying to get back right. Your girl is trying to get back right, okay? I'm recording again. I'm so proud of myself. I'm about to go to work. Your girl got her lashes done for the first time. I'm shook. I'm shocked. You know, it was a great experience. You know, I'm like, am I going to be a lash girly? I've never cared for lash extensions ever. Like, because I've always been a strip girl. To me, strips are just, they're easier. They're convenient, you know. You can put them on, take them off whenever you feel the need to. Like, how much more convenient can it get? And I get, to some people that's actually an inconvenience, because it's just like, gotta put on lashes, versus now I could just start my makeup and finish my makeup knowing, you know, it's one less step in my routine. I think the only downside about it is, when I wake up, I'm not gonna hold you, I like to rub my eyes immediately. Ain't none of that going on. Can't do none of that. So I was in here just like like doing this and stuff. Y'all, 2023 is out the door. Like, can you believe it? Oh, one more thing about the lashes. This is my first time doing my makeup, so this is also a new experience. You know, I don't really do shadow anymore like that, so I don't think it'll be too hard. You know, I did want to do like a little wing liner, so, but we'll cross that bridge when we get to it. Like I said, I gotta work. I'm already filming and gotta work. You know, this is also something new for me. This is not really new. I think the last time I filmed and I had to work, it was quite a minute ago, but I usually just don't do it. But I'm gonna try to film and record a TikTok at the same time. Oh my god. Let's see, the lighting on like the camera versus my phone is so crazy. But yeah. 2023, oh my god. It's literally almost over. It is literally December 22nd. I can't believe it, but at the same time I can't. Lord, this makeup. But it's just like, how is this even happening right now? Like, and it don't even feel like Christmas. It don't feel like the new year is around the corner. Like, it don't feel like none of that. And me and my sister were literally just talking about this yesterday. Like, it's not even the fact, who is that? I be so nosy. It's not even the fact that, you know, we're adults now and Christmas is just different. You know, obviously Christmas feels different, you know, being a kid versus now being a grown adult. But it has nothing to do with that. It just literally doesn't feel like Christmas. Like, it's in a few days. Like I said, it's December 22nd, babe. Like, it's 3 days away. And I really can't tell. I don't know if I need snow. And for a girl who has really never been in snow, I don't know why I need snow for it to feel like Christmas. Honestly, I just think I need for the streets to look better. Like, I need to see some lights. I need it to be freezing. I need to see decor. Like, and there's none of that. I don't know if it's because I'm in Austin or what, but like, but I haven't seen anyone decorating here in Austin. I don't know. I think that's what I need. Oh, what the hell? Was that, I'm so goofy. I'm looking forward to 2024. I'm not gonna hold you in. You know, I'm not gonna completely just shit on 2023. I think 2023 was like a major like growth period for me. Like, I've learned so much about myself this year, and you know, I'm so happy that I decided to take a break from creating content and just really, you know, you okay? Yeah, okay, just checking. But just really honing in on my spirituality and just really taking care of my mental health and being concerned about that type of stuff and making that, you know, my #1 priority, because I needed it. I have grown a lot and I'm thankful for that, because like I said, you know, I was very hard on myself, you know, when I noticed, you know, that I really just wasn't feeling like recording. I didn't feel like creating any type of content. Like, and I noticed that I tried to really push myself to do so, to just want to upload. I tried to force it, and that didn't work out, because all it did, honestly, it just looked like a bunch of forced content. Like, on my TikTok, my mindset at the time was kind of like, you know, the least you could do is record on TikTok if you don't really feel like sitting down, setting up a camera, and talking and then editing a video to upload on YouTube, because it's kind of, sometimes it's a dreadful process. Like, I'm not gonna hold you. Like, sometimes even when I do feel like filming for YouTube, the one thing that'll hold me back is knowing that I have to edit it. Like, I'm not even gonna hold you. Then I just talk myself out of it completely, you know. Oh, I know, y'all, with this makeup. What's so funny is on my phone it don't look like this. Like, so that's how I know it's the camera with the lighting. Like, you just really see everything intensified. I don't know, like, I really need to take this makeup into my lashes. Like I need to go on my lid, but I'm like, I'm so scared. I'll do it eventually, but I'm just nervous right now, you know. Your girl has been on her powder fix, but today I'm gonna add just this one little extra step with my girl because I love her. This e.l.f. Halo Glow Liquid Filter Radiant Booster, okay? I love this stuff. I use the shade Tan Deep. They say it's not really a foundation. It's more so like something that can go under your makeup. But you can wear it by itself. You really can, because it still has like coverage. But what was I gonna say about this? Oh yeah, this is a great dupe for Charlotte Tilbury. If you do not want to splurge on the Charlotte Tilbury one, then this is your girl, because I'm telling you, she gets the job done, honey. And I love the applicator. Like, it's fire. Like, you just can't go wrong with it. But yeah, I'm gonna really take this, you know, around the perimeter of my face. I don't have a brush over here, but we're about to make do anyway, okay? Like, 2023, it definitely set me down. Like, I think this year I was definitely more so in like hermit mode and just, you know, really tuning everything out and focusing on me and my life. You know, I turned 27 last month, November 22nd. And I did mention in my last video how I would talk more about that and, you know, what 26 taught me. You know, time does go on, but it's okay to like walk away from something or take a break from something and not knowing what's going to be there when you come back, because I was so scared of not uploading content. I was so scared to take a break from YouTube. I was so scared to just, you know, be okay with really not feeling my best, you know, when it came to creating content, and just, you know, allowing myself to take a break. I was very scared. And it's not something that I really wanted to do, because I'm like, well, time is just going to go on, like, if I do that. And ain't no telling how things are going to look or feel when I get back. Your girl just went through it, honey. I got to speed up the video because I had to take my makeup off and start over again. Okay, do you hear me? But it's starting, I'm trying to figure out if this lighting is too, whatever. Yeah, my makeup just had me so messed up just now. It's just like, are you crazy? I don't even know. I don't know, you know, what I was really talking about. Oh, yeah, I remember. But yeah, 26 definitely taught me that it's okay to just slow down, pause, take a break, reflect if you need to, take a step back if you need to take some time away, you know, even when it comes to, you know, doing the things that, you know, I love and I care about, and the things that I want to see flourish and just grow. You know, it's okay to take a break sometimes, you know, when you need to, you know, and I really needed one. And I realized that, you know, without me taking time on me and putting myself first and allowing myself to heal from certain things and grow, you know, out of things into new things, then the things that I love won't grow, you know, because it all starts with me and where I'm at in my life. And where I'm at in my life will definitely show up, you know, in what I do and the things that, you know, I commit to, you know, just everything that is going on around me, you know, how I am and how I'm feeling, you will definitely reflect all of that, you know. And so I really realized that, and, you know, it was okay for me, you know. I had to be okay with just saying, you know, yes, I love YouTube, you know, yes, I love creating content, you know. Yes, I love being my face, you know, but I'm not feeling it because something in me just isn't right now, and I need to tend to that, you know. And you know, I feel good, and I'm grateful for that, because now it just allows me to show up 10 times better, baby. Back at it. I'm feeling good. I want to do this, and so now I could give the effort that I actually want to give towards this, you know. And so yeah, that's really all that matters when it comes to you know, you and yourself. You know, whenever you're doing anything in life, you know, your current state and where you are mentally will always, you know, in some way, shape, or form reflect exactly where you are. You know, you may think you giving your best, and you could be, you know, but because, you know, there are things blocking you right now, things that are maybe distracting you from being able to give, you know, and show up, you know, show your full potential while doing so, you know, all of that can play a part. I hope that made sense, because I'm getting so distracted by this makeup. There'll probably be a part 2 to this video, because I have to rush now with my makeup that I can't really even focus. I got about 15 minutes. Alright, y'all. If I'm being honest, I don't went to work and came back, okay? I'm about to put on more clothes, okay, to take pictures in, because I do want to get some pictures, but I didn't want to get on camera with my work clothes. That's just a dead end for me, you know? A new low, if you will. I did want y'all to see my makeup. I done touched it up and everything. If you want to see those steps, everything in between, please go ahead and take a look at my TikTok, you know? I just wanted to get on and do a proper intro and outro. And so yeah, I do plan on making a part 2 to this, simply because as I said beforehand, that I had to end up redoing my whole complexion makeup, and so therefore I was in a rush, and I didn't really get to talk as much as I wanted to talk about, you know, my journey, you know, this last, you know, year. And so I really just want to talk more about that, and so I will. So it might be my like Happy New Year video, just reflecting on, you know, where I was versus where I am now. And so yeah, with that being said, I hope y'all enjoyed this video for what it is. And yeah, please be sure to comment down below. Let me know what you want to see on my channel, okay? You know, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and turn on your post notifications so you will be notified whenever I do upload. And I will see you all in my next one, like I always do, okay? Thank y'all. Bye.